Hello everyone, Joe Neville here. I've just received a package and my boss, Dobius, has told me that I need to record an unboxing video for it. So let me flip this round. I'll show you what it is. It is Silverpeak and the product is an ECXS. So in this video, I'm going to just open up the box and show you the hardware that's inside. Okay, so box is open. Let's have a look. So this is the first time, I've not done this before. Right, now what have we got here? So we've got a box on this side. Let's see what's in here. Is there anything on that? Okay, so this is, okay, packaging content list. It's saying the serial cable, power adapter, rack mounting, etc. is all in here. Okay, so let's move this aside. So this is UK. So I've got a UK power adapter. And I imagine that connects into the unit. We also have, okay, yeah, so the rack mounting. And what's that? Some more screws in there as well. That looks like the serial cable. And there's some Ethernet cables as well, by the looks of things. So one, oh, right. What is that? So that's four of these cables. And rack mounting. So these are the ears for the rack mounting. So you get everything in this box. That's empty, right? And then this will be the unit. Okay, that was a bit awkward to get out, but here it is. Ease off. Come on, get out of here. It says on here, by opening this bag, you agree to the terms of Silverpeak's hardware warranty. Yes, of course. Right, let's get in there. There it is, coming out of the bag for the first time. ECXS. Let's flip this around so you can see the front. Okay, so there we have for the power. We've got reset button, console, AUX management 1 and 2. We've got LAN 0, WAN 0, LAN 1 and WAN 1. So that's the back. Here's the front. Let's get that to focus. So it's a Unity Edge Connect. Is that focused? ECXS. Okay, Silverpeak. Okay, let's get you a shot of everything that was in the box then, and going through this packaging content list. So what do we have in the box? Of course, we've got the chassis. So that's the unit there. We have a serial cable there. We have straight through cables, they're calling them. So we've got 4 of those. We have the power adapter there, and we have the power cable, yes. So we've got the rack mounting ears, there they are. And we are, next up they've got what they're calling, throwing it away, some black screws there. Cage nuts and the screws for the rack mount. And then finally we have the rack mount instructions which are in here. So opening that up, a bit awkward to do. So we've got information there about connecting up, and these are the rack mounting instructions. Well, that was the unboxing. Thanks for watching. I'm going to get one of my more experienced colleagues to help me get that all set up and configured onto the network. And I'm hoping that one of them will step up to the plate and make some Silverpeak videos for the channel. But for now, thanks very much for watching. My name is Joe Neville, and goodbye.